Okay guys, hello, just another video today to show you how to repair a cigarette burn on your carpet. So basically, you need to clean up all the burn marks, just to clean it up, because once you've got it glued in, you don't want it to be showing off, and all the crusty bits from the cigarette, just to get that out and make sure this is clean. So what you need to do next is just the glue, which is you can buy this kit online. That's actually is off now. Balls, carry on. So this called fabric adhesive. Okay, so what we're gonna do is fill up that hole with the glue. Yes, it has to be made worse, you know, it has to go really bad before it starts to be better. So don't worry about that. Okay, and now see how is the glue. That really looks awful and more visible, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted. So you can see here we've got the color which is matching the carpet, and what we need to do now, these are like a fabric powder, which helps, you know, to fill up the hole. What you need to do is just tap your powder in. And now you can see they're all gone. I'll leave it to dry, and that's it. Give us thumbs up and join to our channel, and we'll get you more. Thanks for watching.